Okay, with Piraa, that is for private school. Let's have a search over the net muna for Piraa computation. Okay, we have here the keyword Piraa Premium Employee Table. Actually, wala siyang table. Okay. Here, what we have here is just a statement that employer's contribution is fixed and expressed as a percentage of the employee's basic monthly salary at a minimum of 4%. Okay, 4%. So wala siyang table of 4% lang. So you'll compute it this way. ER yon. Okay. Your computation would be equals total earnings ni employee, total earnings around the S times ito 4%, no? 0.04. Ganun lang. Ganun lang siya. Ha? Ito, equals, you click on total earnings times 0.04. Ayan. Copy pa, boss. Then, we format this to Kama style. Yan. We change the background to a specific color. And yung hashtag there indicates that the column does not fit the value. So double click. Ay, kagayo. Balik-balik ka lang. Aron. Saktuhan lang ron. Next is for employee share ulit ha. Yung formula natin is we based it on the total earnings of the employee and 4%. Next. For employees contribution naman is optional. Dito sa amin is 2%. So depende yan ha. It is based on your company's decision kung pinang percent. So in our case 2%. So your formula, lalagay ko siya dito, would be total earnings times 0.02. Ganon. Ganun. Equals total earnings times 2%. Okay, copy ulit. And format to comma style. And, okay, the background. Next is the computation for withholding tax. So, annual kasi yung ating withholding tax. Okay. Ito yung aking na-capture na computation for withholding tax. Sa video, may nakuha ako doon na naging save ko. Pero that was the old computation. Ito yung bago ngayon. Graduated yun income tax rates. Ito yung mga bases. Net income. So for net income, it would be based sa kanyang annual income. Sa ato niya case ay monthly ito. And our contract is by SEM, wherein we have 5 months in a SEM. And syempre, sa 1 year, ay 10 months yata. Tama? Summer, abi namon ay no work, no pay ta. So we multiply this to yung aking total earnings. Multiply lang siya into 10 para maging 1 year amount. So, sa scenario kasi na tig 5 months at kami, iba tabi kon amat do amon nga teaching load. Makararon no? Could be nga rate, although wa gid masyado gabag-o, number of units, di kara gabag-o. So, pwede nga mag second sem or mag first sem mo, taga pareho ra among number of units. So, ganun lang. So, deduction namon hay, depende sa royon nga sem. Kaya, para for instance, daya man ay first sem nga period, hay, ano rin, imaw? Ano nga ni karatawag ko? As is, ra computation every sem, tapos, rato man dayon do deduction, gina times 10 yang ray namon. Kaya iba ro deduction it first sem, ag iba matara deduction it second sem. So dito, okay, mag-adjust tayo with withholding tax. Nalagay ako ng ano ha, mag-insert ako ng column. Okay. This column will be gross income. Ito, gross income, nag-insert ako. Okay, here. Total earnings ito times 10. Yan. Then, meron din tayong, ano ko niya nila? Ay naman, daywot ang in-insert. Sorry ha. Daywot, agali ang in-insert. Ano ba yan? No, ita ka mo gahambay kang ha. Alam niya, ang gross income. Kalma ka dyan. Sometimes, may basis pagid kita sa aton nga income, annual income. Yung gross income natin is may mga exemptions pa, tama? May exemptions pa kita. Like, for married individual, may inaron, number of children, may deduction pa ni mo di karo yun. Thank you. Aron. So, dito lang muna tayo sa gross income ha. Wala tayong ganon. Pero, pag may maabot pa time, may aton nga expand pagid. So, yun lang muna ha. Kasi mahaba-haba kasi do aton nga condition for withholding tax. And it would be your first time to experience this. First and last. Okay, so let's say yan na yung gross income. Lalagay ko dito ha sa ilalim. I-align ko lang equals total earnings times 10. Haman yan again times 10 dahil for 1 year, tag 5 months yata every sem. So, 10 months lang kami. Yan. Withholding tax, here na. We will use conditions instead of lookup function kasi meron tayong net taxable income over ag not over. So atong table ay medyo daywat di ba? May anang minimum ag maximum value. And then when it comes to rate, may una pa nga fixed amount plus percentage in excess of. So instead of lookup, we will use if statement. Madiretso ako di karahan. Okay, condition 1. Ito yung ating uunahin. Amount of net, wala, but not over. So yung term na not over means less than, right? So your condition for that is if you click on gross income, okay, are you with me? Gross income less than. Yan lang. 250,000. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan. No? Magkano yung babayaran? Ay, magkano yung tax due? 0. Grabe. Next is, comma, another condition. So that would be another if. If, okay, parentheses, we click on gross income. If net taxable income is greater over 250,000. So, yan is a condition. Wherein dalawa yung condition natin. So, for that scenario, since dalawa yung condition, gagamit tayo ng and. Conjunction and. So, and, there. Then, gross income.
Okay, my question to you is
Greater than or equal to 250,000. 250. Tama ba ako? Apat na zero. Then, another condition is, click ulit sa gross income less than 400,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ngayon, ito yung second condition ha. If gross income or if NTI less than 250,000 and NTI ay greater than or equal to 250,000 and NTI less than 400,000. Okay, tama tayo. Our tax due is 25% of the excess over 25%. Here, 20 gali percent. 0.2. Hindi ko makita. Ayan. Remove ko anay ha. 20% of the excess over. So to get this, 20% times. Okay. Ma-emphasize kita. We click on NTI minus 250. So to get the excess value, ganyan yung ating gagawin. Okay, ito muna ang gross income minus 250,000. Yeah. In excess over, of the excess over. So minus muna natin bago i-multiply sa 20%. Okay, we're done. Next, we'll have the third condition. So if uli, okay, parentheses, and dahil dalawa yung ating table, we click on gross income greater than or equal to 400,000. Tama ba yung 400,000? Kama. NTI less than 800,000. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay, close parentheses. We're done with and, comma. Now the computation. 400,000, ito bale, to 800,000. We have a fixed amount of 30,000. So lalagay, fixed amount. There, 30,000 plus 25% of the excess over. Hindi ba tama sa dagom? Ayan. Tama sa dagom. 25% is 0.25. Tama? Times. Okay, we enclose in parentheses our net taxable income minus of the excess over 400. So, 400,000. 1, 2, 3. Careful. Ulit. Okay, the third condition is if NTI greater than or equal to 400 and NTI less than 800, then our computation is 30,000 plus 25% in excess over 400,000. Comma. Let's have the fourth condition. Fourth condition. Gross income greater than or equal to 800,000. 800,000. Ano ba ako nga zero ha?
Okay, I have a same
1,
question to you,
2.
Ray.
Tama
Why
ang
did you
zero.
choose this topic for your
Comma.
research? Bakit you choose ito?
NTI
For your research.
less than
What is the
2
title
million.
again, Ray?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, close. Tama. Our computation is 130,000, 1, 2, 3
According to me,
plus
very good topic, sabi ko.
30%, so 0.3
Choose this topic for your
times,
research.
okay, NTI, open parenthesis, NTI, maba yun NTI, minus, pila itong gina-minus, 800,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, close. Next, fifth condition. Tama na. Another if. So, and.
And of course,
Okay. NTI greater than or equal to 2 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma, NTI less than 8 million. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close parenthesis. Okay, our fixed amount is 490,000. 490. 1, 2, 3. Plus, ilang percent? 32%. So, 0.32 times, okay, NTI in excess of 2 million. Okay, minus 2 million. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Check it ulit. If NTI greater than or equal to 2 million and NTI less than or equal to 8 million, 490,000 plus 32 times NTI minus 2 million. And the last, we don't need to create a condition for this. Diretso tayo sa computation. Hindi na tayo magko-condition. Our computation would be to fixed amount of 2,410,000. 1, 2, 3. Careful lang, hindi tayo maglalagay ng kama-kama dito sa computation. Plus 35% of net taxable income minus, yung deduction natin is 8 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Ayan. So, first, ito yung ating if. Okay. Pilang bilog atong if? 1. Or close this. 1. Ayan. Then, another if here. 2. Another close parenthesis. Next is another if for 400. Close ulit. And another if dito sa 250 to 400. Close ulit. And the last parenthesis is for less than 250. Ayan. Ilang bilog atong close parenthesis? Bilangin niya na lang dahil ako ang matagon ay sa atong condition, we have less than 251, 2, 3, 4, 5 nga condition. So, 5 yung close parenthesis. Enter. Alright. Okay. Hindi ko pala nakopya ito. Kopyahin ko muna sa ilalim yung aking gross income. Yan. Kopyahin ko muna ha. So, as we see, dito, yung 199 exempted ito. Okay? Hara, 283 na to, meron yung tax. Yun. So, let's check that later. Double check natin later, ha? Okay, for now, copy muna the formula. Okay, we will format this to comma style. We change the background para sa issue nga may inaron niya formula, hindi pagkakawon. So how come we had this 6,700 for an NTI of, palitan ko na nga lang ito, NTI na lang. Ano nila NTI? Alright, top is NTI. Anet. Taxable income. Ayan. Assume na yan yung net taxable income. So for 283, dito siya na fall sa 250 to 400, right? So we'll have a sample computation equals, ito, yung net taxable income na, okay? Ay, in this table, that is 20% pala equals 0.2 times, okay, parenthesis tayo, yung kanyang net income, then magma-minus tayo ng 250,000. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung computation. That's how you get 6, 7. Right? Okay, dito. Sa sample ulit tayo sa 361,000. Paano ito nangyari? Bakit naging 22,200? So, yung 361,000 also falls on the same basis, 250 to 400. Siya ay nasa T17. So, palitan ko lang yung aking formula. From T10, magiging T17. Ayan. So, same lang din yung kanyang basis. Ayan. Kita ha? So, that's it. Okay. So, we have 2 examples for that. The rest, walang taxes.
Actually, I'm smiling kanina because I can relate.
Now, for total deductions, okay.
The reason behind is because of online class.
Some ito.
Depends. Alas 8 kami nakaupo kanina.
Ma'am, alin ang inubra? Wow, pinakamahabang formula. I'll copy this one.
In other words,
So,
you have
see?
a very good local literature. Thank you so much, Mayor, and congratulations.
Ayan, kahaba-haba ang formula.
Okay, next.
Para hindi ka mo ma-confuse ha. Itong T36. Man T36. Dahil hindi T36 that refers to net taxable income. Para hindi kayo ma-confuse, palitan ko na lang siya ng NTI. Lahat ng T36. So, ganito. Gawin ko. Para kayo ay hindi ma-confuse. Okay. Natamad si mama. Natamad. So, gawin ko T36. Replace with NTI. Fine nga. Sumakat mo sa ibabaw. Hindi dyan. Hindi dyan. No way. Hindi. Hindi mo nag-adto. Bailuhan ko lang ra isa-isa. T36 NTI. Control C. Ito T36 CBNTI. Okay, for and condition there. NTI. Okay.
Okay, friends.
Another condition.
Can you give an example of physical effect the online class is giving you? In your case, personally, what is an example?
May tanong.
Neck, ano yung sa neck? Anong nararamdaman mo sa neck? Are you doing also your online games? Aside from online class, are you doing online
Okay,
games?
ayan, napalitan ko na lahat.
So, tama din ba?
250 to
You've been
400.
experiencing physical
400 to
Kasi
800.
you will be
Okay.
using the internet
400 to
too long.
800.
Kaya may mga
And I have 2 million. 800 to 2 million. Ay, 800. Yeah. 2 million to 8 million. And the last, okay. Yan yung formula. Lahat. Pagkahaba-haba ng formula. If less than 250, 0 yung kanyang tax. If 250 to 400, 20% times net taxable income minus 250,000. If 400 to 800,000, fixed amount of 3,000 plus 25% of NTI minus 400. Another condition, if 800 to 2 million, fixed amount of 130,000 plus, okay, 30% of, wa na ako nabutangat, parenthesis, daya mo. May parenthesis, dapat ito.
According to millennials, typing
Para, sino nito? Fixed amount of 130,000 minus ito. May parenthesis ito. 30% times NTI. 30% times NTI minus 8,000. And 2 million to 8 million, fixed amount of 490,000 plus 32% of NTI minus 2 million. And the last, 2,410,000 plus 35% of. Okay, ayan. Then we have 6 na close parentheses including yung last formula. Dito, check ko lang yung sa 8,000. Ayan, may ano naman, may formula naman. Dito, may parentheses naman, minus 2 million, minus 800, may parentheses. Then dito, minus 400, minus 250. Okay, next. We get the SSS loan. So, ini-encode na lang to. Depende sa employee na may utang, may utang sa SSS. Anyway, may voucher naman na binibigay yung SSS, yung pag-ibig. For that, may voucher din para sa cash advances. So, binibigay yan sa bookkeeper. Mag-encode na lang siya dito. So, wala siyang kulay ha. Total deduction, ayan. Meron tayong formula dito. Wherein, total deduction is actually the SSS premium for EE, syempre. So, formula natin dito is ito.
Who are your respondents? Respondents of this
Equals.
respondents of the study again, Mel?
Okay, for deductions, ito.
Mel, again, who are the respondents of your study?
Formula ko lang ha, sum of SSS,
Sino? Grade alin?
PhilHealth, Pag-ibig,
Sino yung respondents niyo?
PIRAA,
Copy na kasi.
and tax. Ayan. Okay, so ito lahat yung deduction. Format this, not forget to comma. Ayan, format to comma. Ay, dali lang, may sa withholding tax pagali. Dito sa withholding tax, di-divide ko siya. My God naman, bakit 6,000 yung nandito, 'di ba? Since yung ating total earnings, sige multiply naton sa ano nga nira sa 10 para mabuo naton do annual. Daya man yara nga withholding tax, annual da imaw. Agi nabayaran imaw monthly, di ba? So aya nga tax naton, the whole of this, ayan, ito lahat. Ayan. Gagawin natin, enclose imaw in parentheses there. Halin sa umpisa, hasta sa punta, and i-divide naton by 10. Haman gin-divide sa 10 do tax. Haman gin-divide. Para maging monthly ro deduction. So ulit ha. Ito lahat. Okay. All of this. Yung if, sa if ha. Okay. And close in parentheses, everything divide by 10. Enter. Oh, for now, wala siyang sagot kasi wala naman siyang taxes. So, nakita niyo yung 6,700 naging 670 na lang for monthly. Ito, ayan. Baho-baho, matabi to. Dahil ato niyara nga payroll ay monthly. Ayan. Sabi ko na, deduction namin is depende yan sa employer namin. Rayatanan nga nga mga deductions mana for specific, yung mga premiums, let's say 1 to 15. Tapos the loan man mana ay 16 to 31, mga ganyan. So may agreement na kami kara. Okay. So we total the deduction. Balik tayo ulit dito. Okay. Yan. We change the background color. Okay. So since nandito na rin yung pag-ibig, yung loan, yung advances, dugang na natin yung mga okay. Pinili ko lang ha, ROEE dahil ROER nga na anat aron it. Employer, comma. So M here is for SSS, then O is for PhilHealth, Q is for pag-ibig, then S is for PIRAA, U is for the tax. Dagdag ako ha. Okay, V for SSS loan, comma, pag-ibig loan, W, and X for cash advances. Enter. Yan yung deduction lahat. Ayan, maglalagay nga ako ng cash advances. Let's say may 200 na cash advances sa load. Joke. Ayan, so nagdugang, di ba? Erase ko ulit. Okay, 200. Yan, dugang reduction. And then lastly, last computation before the time ends. Total earnings. Okay. Minus total deduction. All right. This is the net pay. Last formula. Okay. We select all of this. And format as formula. Comma style. Okay. Your last formula is total earnings. Total earnings. Minus total deduction. Okay. Ay, tangan kay mo it. Yan, total earnings minus total deduction. Itong last. Save this one. Well, ito yung formula mo naman dito is lahat na ng deduction. Lahat ng EE at lahat ng loan. Okay, finally, we're done here. Okay, pwede na rin. Actually, pwedeng itago yung ER. You could hide this one. Pwede niya na i-hide. Kasi hindi naman yan kasama, pang pagulo lang dito. Anyway, for the purpose of demo, para may idea kayo. Actually, yung ER, hindi to kailangan. kasi that is employer share.
Yung random start process
Yung deductions lang naman includes
30. 30 naman dyan sa step.
EE lang nato na column. Utang ko nga nila.